everybody. Somebody put a circle around me. It's a cake. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3-layer black velvet heart-shaped cake with cherries on the top, baby. This video going real fast, so I need you to keep up with me, all right? Here we go. All right, we're going to go ahead and add that black cream cheese frosting in between these layers. We're going to go ahead and stack that, and we're going to go ahead and frost everywhere. Frost, and then we're going to go ahead and smooth. Block where you got to block, smooth where you got to smooth. Keep smoothing, baby. You're getting it real smooth for me. Keep on going. I see it smooth. You got that top smooth out, looking real nice. Liking that, Keep on smooth. Cut that top out the top. Get ready for the cherries. Go ahead and use your line base and go ahead and put your lines in there. Looking real pretty. Add those cherries on the top. Ooh, look how red they are. Go ahead and block designs in between each line. Go ahead and add each cherry every other one. I see you. Go ahead and make something real pretty around that bottom there. Looking real good. There's your black velvet heart-shaped cherry cake. Looking real pretty. How about hitting the subscribe for me?